Hey, this is Josh High with Market Prime Mortgage, and I want to talk to you today about why Credit Karma should not be your only source of information when it comes to knowing about your credit score and credit history. One of the biggest, if not the biggest misconception in our whole mortgage industry would be credit scores and credit reporting. A problem I run into all the time is when a client comes in and talks to me and they have an idea about what their credit score is because they've been following Credit Karma, or they get alerts from their Discover card, or come up with some information somewhere consumer facing that's giving them what their score is going to be. Now, when I get a hold of their mortgage application and pull a real industry standard tri-merge 3-bureau credit report, I could be 100 points lower than what they came in with from Credit Karma. You can see how that could create a level of confusion and mistrust and anger from the client. Unfortunately, FHA, VA, conventional, USDA, any mortgage product's not going to use Credit Karma as their decisioning score. Believe me, I want my clients to have the highest credit score possible because that will get them a better rate, make them easier to close, open up different products and better options for them in the long term. Credit Karma gives you free credit reports and scores because they're wound up tightly with credit card companies and auto loans and personal loan lenders. It's actually a tool that they use to get you to apply for more credit. When they send you that nice little score update saying, hey, your credit score is improved, or hey, click here to see what your new report looks like, you're gonna find links all around and you're gonna feel good about having a higher credit score. So now maybe you can apply for that credit card and actually get it, or maybe you can apply for the car loan that you needed and you can get that. They make it very convenient to show you what your score is and make it real easy to apply for credit right there on the spot. Credit Karma may tell you your score is a 700 and you qualify for this special offer for a credit card, whereas a 620 would qualify for the same thing. But to you, it looks like a special offer because it's coming from Credit Karma. The technical reason why Credit Karma does not match industry mortgage reports is because they use a different scoring model. There are many different scoring models associated with credit reporting. When we pull a report in the mortgage industry, we look at all 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. What they're based on is a FICO score, and there's many different models of FICO scores. Mortgage reports use versions 2, 4, and 5, whereas an auto leasing company might use versions 2, 4, 5, and 8, where a credit card or a personal loan company might use 2, 3, 4, 5, or 8, or 6, or 7. Credit Karma is based on the Vantage Score Model 3.0. This is an algorithm or a model designed to deliver a set of scores loosely based on that FICO model. But it's not the same, it's not one-to-one. Can you see how this would be confusing? Yes, Credit Karma is a good tool to be able to help you track if your credit is improving or declining over time. Or if you've had inquiries, or if you've had new credit opened, or somebody looking at your credit report, it can alert you and it can act as a credit monitoring service for free. If you pay your bills on time and you know that you've got good credit and you don't have any delinquencies, you don't have any charge-offs, any collections, any bad debt happening over the past 10 years, then your scores are probably going to be pretty close together from your industry mortgage reports and your Credit Karma reports. Now, if you have had late payments, or if you've opened recent new credit, or if you have a high utilization of debt, or you have collections in your past, or charge-offs, or any other bad debt, then those numbers are going to drift apart. They're not going to be that close together. So use this knowledge to help you understand if you're in the market for a house, or if you're going to be in the next year, you need an accurate look at what you're going to be working with your credit score. That's what we do every day. We can pull your credit report, we can make sure that you're lined up and ready to buy a house, we can look at your debts, we can get you over to credit repair if needed, but we want you to have accurate information. We want you to be able to know what you're getting into and what it takes to get there. If you have any questions about it at all, give me a call, 813-448-1501. If you want to get started with an application, go ahead and visit getwithjosh.com, or feel free to email me at josh@marketprime.com. I hope to talk to you soon.